Most wall art just kind of sits there, but what about a 3D heart made of beautiful stainless steel? My name is Stacy with WTI, and this is a beautiful wall piece from NEODECO. This piece is so well made. The detail on it is absolutely stunning. What I really like about it is it was so easy to put up on the wall. It has a bracket in the back, and it also has two pieces that hold it away from the wall. So you really get a three-dimensional look all different times of the day. I love to see how the sun casts a shadow on it and really makes it stand out as a beautiful piece. This piece would look gorgeous whether you put it in an office space, your kitchen or living room, or if you want to give it as a beautiful gift. I love that it's a heart shape, and I love that beautiful black detailing. You can see the scroll work is absolutely stunning, and that's my point of view.